How effective are facials? Because sometimes you hear, well, if you're going for facials, don't expect anything life-changing to happen to your face. What is their purpose?
I feel it's commitment.
Okay.
I feel it's commitment is a key for you to have beautiful skin. If you come to the esthetician once a year, you're not going to have the same results if you come see me once a month, once every 2 weeks.
Right.
And hand to hand with your products at home, it's important to have your products at home because you see me once a month, once every 2 weeks, once every 2 months. You need to have that hand-to-hand care at home. But basically commitment, I would say it's the key.
How do you decide who is a good candidate for a facial?
Everybody is a good candidate.
Everybody.
Yeah, it's interesting. I have patients that come in my chair and they're in their 50s or 60s and I'm like, oh, when was your last facial? And they're telling me, oh, I've never had one. Mind blown. Because it's like, what? And they've heard like, oh, well, I've seen people, that they leave red marks. I've heard stories. So I think it's important to see somebody who does specialize in the skin, and it's not just in, a certain, boutique setting, but somebody who knows how to address those skin conditions without aggravating your skin or leaving you walking out looking worse than when you came in.
I know. I recently had my aunt took her for her first facial, and she's in her 50s. A perfect example.
Yeah.
I said, "You've never had this?" She's like, "No, I've never had this in my life."
Incredible.
And she was mind blown, to use that same word, expression.
Yeah.
I feel if you haven't done a facial, either you have never experienced what a facial is or you have had a bad experience with a facial. So it's important to do your homework and see where you're going to go.